A few interesting facts about Apple's recent release, Apple Vision Pro, the wireless reality simulation. It can scan your eyes to tell who you are. Vision Pro cannot see your entire face and can't use Face ID. Instead, it will use Optic ID to confirm your identity for things like making payments and logging into services. Pure privacy when it comes to viewing sensitive topics online. It can capture and display photos and videos in 3D. Apple is calling the Vision Pro the first spatial computer. You can use Vision Pro's external suite of depth-detecting sensors to take photos and videos that also capture the depth of the scene. These photos and videos can be played back, or shared, with that similar depth effect and are comfortable looking like a bit of a legend while you take them. It can scan your face and create a realistic digital avatar. Metaverse booster Meta has built its digital avatars to have a very cartoony look, but Apple is taking a different approach. Vision Pro will be able to scan your face with its depth-sensing cameras and use that data, mashed up with some machine learning, to create a realistic depiction of you, with depth, that you can use as an avatar in various apps and features. Does it look a little bit 2000s era CGI? Yeah, but odds are it will get better over time. It can't be used wirelessly for long periods of time. Vision Pro is designed to be used while connected to a power source. It does have a battery attachment which sits in your pocket and juices up the goggles through a wire that runs to the headset, but the power is pretty limited. Apple gives a projection of 2 hours of battery life, which is not quite enough to watch a whole movie, for instance. So if you want to lock in for a long period of time, Apple claims the Vision Pro is ocularly comfortable for all-day use, even though it may be uncomfortable after a few hours on a hot summer's day. I can't quick swap batteries during active use. Don't get too excited if you were hoping to avoid battery constraints by having a second battery queued up for a quick swap. Batteries can be switched if you purchase a second proprietary battery from Apple and not the dodgy counterfeit parts from some cheap online store. But because the Vision Pro has no onboard battery to speak of, it will turn all the way off while you're switching them. If you really want to try and extend the battery time, the best bootleg option will probably be to charge the Vision Pro's proprietary battery with another battery. It should theoretically work if your second battery can provide enough juice to make the Vision Pro think it's plugged into a wall, but it won't be especially convenient. Apple's new generational virtual reality is really an in-depth concept of what could be created from the older versions. It's a real-life simulator with some additional APIs and gadgets, a progressive outlook on futuristic alternate reality and what could come in future years. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give the video a like and comment your thoughts. I'm excited to see more updates on the Apple Vision Pro and what else you could do in the comforts of your own home.